Hello friends, warm greetings from Eklavi Academy. Today we are going to see the questions asked in Computer Science NTA NET 2020. The question is using RSA public key crypto system if P equal to 3, Q equal 11 and D equal to 7, find the value of E and encrypt the number 19. Okay, the options are 20, 19, 33, 11, 3, 28, 77, 28. Okay, so according to the RSA algorithm, N is equal P into Q. Here the P value is 3 and Q value is 11. So the N value is 33. Then the pi value is P minus 1 into Q minus 1. So P value is 3, 3 minus 1. Then Q value is 11, 11 minus 1. So 2 into 10, 20. Okay. Here they are given the D value. Then they are asking the E value. So for calculating the E value, it should satisfy the condition the GCD of E comma pi is equal 1. Okay. Then the formula for computing the D value is DE mod 5 is equal 1. Here the D value is 7. Then pi value is 20. Here I am choosing the E value is 3 means if E equal to 3, 7E mod 20 equal to 1 because 7 into 3 mod 20 is equal to 1. So I am taking the E value as 3. Okay. So what is the formula for public key and private key? Okay. So the formula for public key is N comma E. So what is the value for N? 33. Then the E value is 3. Okay. Then the formula for private key. So the formula for private key is N comma D. So N value is 33. D value is 7. Okay. So in this question they are asking encrypt the number 19. So for encryption the formula is ciphertext is equal M power E mod N. So already we knew the value for E and N. So for encryption we are using the public key concept only. Okay. So the E value is 3, then N value is 33, the M value is 19 because we are going to encrypt the number 19 only. Okay. So 19, so E value is 3, then mod N value is 33. So 19 power 3 which is equal to 6859 mod 33. So which return the remainder 28. So it is the value for ciphertext. Okay. I hope everyone understand this one. Thank you friends. If you like my videos, Please like, share and comment. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. For further updates, you can join in the Telegram group. The link for the Telegram group is provided in the video as well as in the description box too. Okay. Once again, thank you all.